Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. I miss you guys so much. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So today I'm back with a coffee table styling, and we are going to decorate a small coffee table. I'll be showing you guys different ways to style your coffee table. It could be a very small one and a round one like this, like the one I'm using. And yeah, please do well to stay tuned for this video. But before we get into the video, guys, I want to show you guys these pillows and pillow covers that I got from a beautiful sister, the real queen. Guys, I'm going to put her handle down below because I've been enjoying these pillows. I love the pillows, the quality, the shine. Like, it brings elegance and class to your space. Even if you're neutral, even if you are extra, these pillows are going to do it. Glam, modern, any style is going to work for you. Anyway, please, I'm going to put her handles down below. Do well to check her out. So let's jump right into the video. So as I told you guys, today I'm decorating a small coffee table. There is one thing I want you guys to note, that you can use a floral vase, just one floral vase. Some people are always like, I don't know how to decorate. If you have a big vase that could just occupy most of the table and not be too crowded, especially if you're a minimalist but you like florals and you like beautiful things, you know, you can just use one flower vase and it's going to work. This is style number one, and I'm really liking it. I love it. This is like a DIY vase that I got it from Z Gallery, and these florals I got them on sale from Hobby Lobby, as you guys know. So this is style number one. I hope you like it. You tell me what you think about my vase, my coffee table. Yes guys, it's new, very affordable, very chic. I like it because it doesn't scare the hell out of me about my kids hitting their head on the other square table. But then I've been loving this table, and I just wanted to show you guys the different ways that I style it. And I've also had questions from people with not glass tables, but tables like this with designs. And I mean, this table is so beautiful, so I don't know why people struggle. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys styles. For style number two, you just put your favorite vases, and you want to have like symmetry. Always use a pair of three to decorate your space, and try to complement them with some beautiful pieces. In my case, I use this white farmhouse chain, but it gives a modern touch to my space, you know. And I'm using these very beautiful Elements of Style books. I'm sure you guys already know that this is my favorite coffee table book, but yeah. So what do you guys think about this? I love this one, and I am really obsessed with it. You guys tell me your thoughts. So because you guys know that I'm a modern girl and I have this modern kind of unique vases, they do the trick for me, guys. I love candles too, but sometimes some people don't want their candles to be visible. So I inserted the candles into the second vase that I didn't put any florals. Like the second style, you saw that the second vase had florals, but this style, the first vase has florals, the second vase has no florals. You could keep it like that or insert a candle in there and then put some beautiful accessories again. In my case, I used this beautiful bowl, and I love me some greenery, guys. This bowl has the green moss plant, or moss. It's a plant, right? Moss is a plant. Yeah, the moss plant attached to it already. And I got it from TJ Maxx, and I got these vases from Elizabeth Cole. You guys tell me what you think about this style. I am in love with it. On that note, I want to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you guys to my channel. If you're new, hello. I know I've given you some space, but I'm back, and I hope you're enjoying this video already. If you are, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you so much. I really do appreciate you always coming back for more videos on this channel. I am so appreciative. Thank you. For the next style, I've lost track of the count, but I'm using this beautiful orchid floral arrangements. I'm using two of them, and then I'm just putting a beautiful bowl where I'm going to be using to accessorize, but use for my remote control holder. Guys, this bowl, I love the details on it. I got it from Ross, and I got this orchid, I think, from Ross as well. I love it. I just love this arrangement. It's very simple, nice, and chic, guys. You tell me your thoughts about it. All of the styles I'm showing you are effortless styles. You don't have to think too much about decorating your home or your coffee table. Here, I try to show you guys how to decorate your home to look high-end but on a budget. So this is what we have so far. Tell me your thoughts and give me your impressions about the style.
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like.
For the next style, I'm using this beautiful vase I got again from Elizabeth Cole. It's an animal print vase with some gold accent on it. And then I'm using this black stems as well. And this beautiful black and gold vase. It's already a design by itself and nothing much. Here, I didn't use the rule of 3 because both items on the coffee table are already big enough, and I didn't think that I had space to put other stuff, so I just liked it. And you can see I always have my remote control bowl on the side table, so you know for me that I do not compromise a remote control bowl because it keeps our remote controls in place. So yeah, I have this arrangement, modern, chic, simple, elegant, and these are effortless styles to decorate your coffee table and make your home look high-end on a budget.
Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know.
So I have this saying that black is the new black. You can never go wrong with black. Some people say the black makes my home look dark, but there is one thing I want to tell you. Just accessorize your home with white furniture and white decor. Guys, when you use black, it screams high-end quality, and I don't know, it's just beautiful. Black is amazing. Black rules. I love black, guys. So this is a simple coffee table style that you could use if you're a black lover, and it's giving me all what it's supposed to give. I just love it, guys. On that note, if you've watched up to this point, please comment black down in the comment section, and I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate you supporting your girl. Please keep on watching and tell me your favorite coffee table style so far, because we still have about 2 to go. So I've gone to people's houses in the past and seen them display some florals on their coffee table. Like, they will tell me, I don't know how to decorate, but I just like flowers. And I'll tell you, your home looks beautiful, your coffee table looks beautiful, it speaks to you. I love florals, and sometimes I just want to display the ones that I really like. In my case, these are full florals, but if you like natural florals, you could actually just display them on your table, and yeah, it's going to create a very chic and elegant look. You don't have to do too much. Do not pay attention to the vases. Just make sure that the vases do not counteract each other, so they are actually supposed to complement each other, and you don't want to use totally different tones or colors, and it's going to throw everything off. So yeah, in my case, this is what I put together, and this is what I really like for the florals in my home. Tell me your thoughts about this. So we've come to the last but not the least style, guys. Of course, you know these vases. I think I got these vases from Ross a while back, and these are just black and gold vases. Even the tray is a gold tray, and the glasses are black. I just wanted to use black and gold for this space. So you tell me your thoughts about this style, because I am loving it, and you tell me your favorite styles so far. This is the last, so you tell me what you love about this one or any other one that you've seen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you watching up to this point. Thank you. I love you guys. See you in our next video. Bye.